This is the new kitchen. Surprise, surprise. Hey y'all, I'm Joey from Dad Simple Cooking, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make this strawberry cheesecake dump cake. This thing comes together easy, it's fast, and it's simple, and you're going to blow people away. Say if you're on vacation and you get a hankering for a strawberry cheesecake dump cake, it's that easy to make, even when you're not in your kitchen. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump into it. If you're new around here and you like easy and simple dishes, I'm your guy. You will like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family table. Pull up a chair. Let's get to cooking. Dad, over to you. Now, mind you, my lighting's off because I'm not baking in my kitchen. So here we go. So we're gonna go over the ingredients. Cake mix, whatever you want. Strawberry pie filling, some cream cheese. Okay, preheat your oven 350, and we'll get rolling. So, what I'm going to start with first is my pie filling. I have an aluminum pan here that we're going to cook this in. So, it's pretty simple from everything that I've seen, I've heard. I figured today would be a good day to make this because it just sounded delicious. Like, who doesn't love strawberries and cream cheese and everything else? It's not going to take long to get this ready, but I do want to spread my strawberries out. This is a 9 by 13 pan. Just make sure they're a little bit everywhere. If you want to add extra strawberries, that's up to you. I think that'd be all right. So all we're going to do is set this to the side and get a bowl and get some room temperature cream cheese. Put it in a bowl. Got my cream cheese. I'm going to do an egg. And then a half a cup of sugar. Dash of vanilla. And then we're just going to mix that on up. Just like that. And back with our pie filling. And sprinkle it all around like that. So what we're going to do is just take our cake mix, cut it on open, and then sprinkle on top. Not mixing the cake mix in. Butter. Get some butter. So I got my butter. What's wrong? You're tired. Oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. That butter's gonna melt, and then everything's just gonna make this absolutely delicious. Right, we're out the oven. It's been resting for roughly about 25-30 minutes to let it cool down. Put it in the oven for about 50 minutes. Grab me a paper plate here and scoop me out some of this because I'm ready for it. I've been talking about it for like 2 weeks now, so I guess finally about time. Oh, oh yeah. I'm gonna let this cool a little bit longer, but I want to try it. What? For the amount of ingredients, which is the pie filling, the cake mix, butter and cream cheese. Oh my gosh. Easy, simple, and delicious. So y'all, with that, I'm taking these kids to the beach in a little bit. I love you. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.